We're here at K&W Greenery, getting in the Christmas spirit, and I'm whispering a few things in Santa's ear that are on my list. Events going on this week include the continuing Winter in Wisconsin exhibit at the Helen Jeffries Wood Museum Center. And the holiday tours continue at the Lincoln Tallman House. They're open daily from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And at the Armory, A Christmas Carol continues in their dinner theater and runs through December 23rd. On Saturday, right here at K&W Greenery, they'll have a make and take workshop at 1 p.m. where you'll create a Christmas garden fairy. And on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. there'll be a cookie walk and coffee shop at Cargill United Methodist Church. And on Saturday at 3, it's donkey basketball at St. Paul's Lutheran School and Church. And another cookie walk at Faith Lutheran Church on Saturday at 8 a.m. And on Sunday, it's the pancake breakfast sponsored by Cootie Pup Tent No. 9. It will be at the VFW Clubhouse and run from 8 a.m. to noon. And on Sunday, there's Pictures with Santa at Wisconsin Wagon Company, which they turn into Santa's workshop for the occasion, and the pictures run from noon to 2:30. On Friday night, come in for the cold for some hot action on the ice as the Janesville Jets play at home at the Janesville Ice Arena at 7 p.m. And on Saturday, the Lincoln Tallman House will host holiday twilight tours from 4 to 7 p.m. And Saturday morning, it's the Jingle Bell Run Walk and Pet Walk. With a 9:30 start at the Janesville Athletic Club, the proceeds will benefit the Arthritis Foundation. And on Saturday at Edgerton High School, it's their Snowflake Craft Fair. Great opportunity to get your Christmas shopping done from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. On Sunday, right here at K&W Greenery, they're going to have a holiday family photo opportunity in the holiday sleigh. Runs from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and it's just $5, with half of those proceeds going to Echo. Wednesday night, it's Jingle Mingle at the Armory to benefit Mercy Hospice Care. Runs from 5:30 to 10:30 p.m. And on Wednesday night, there's a garden seminar at Rotary Botanical Gardens from 6 to 8 p.m. featuring holiday plants from past to present. And on Thursday at 12:30 to 2 or 5:30 to 7 p.m., there's a Holiday Survival Kit presentation at the Community Acupuncture Center in Old Town Mall. It's just $15 to learn a little bit about how to relax through the holidays. If you want more information on these and other events, just visit the event section of our website.